Welcome to the Academia Europaea annual meeting Building Bridges 2024, where world's leading minds unite to share groundbreaking ideas and forge new connections. This year, the conference is organized in Poland by Wroclaw Tech. Known as the City of Bridges, Wrocław symbolizes unity and connection. The bridges linking districts serve as metaphors of the city's ability to bring together people and ideas. We are thrilled to announce that keynote speakers for the upcoming conference are thought leaders who will share their expertise, setting the stage for transformative discussions and groundbreaking ideas. On November 27th, you can join us for an unforgettable encounter with Nobel Prize winner Professor Emmanuelle Charpentier, as she delves into the revolutionary CRISPR Cas9 technology. Professor Charpentier, along with Jennifer A. Doudna, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2020 for discovering one of the most precise tools in gene editing. CRISPR Cas9 has revolutionized science, paving the way for innovative cancer treatments and bringing us closer to the possibility of curing inherited diseases. Join us at the plenary session with Professor Monica Bello, curator and head of arts at CERN. Discover the dynamic interplay between art and science, sparking innovative perspectives. By bridging this gap, we unlock new ways of thinking, fostering creativity and innovation that can lead to groundbreaking advancements. Discover the universe with Professor Heino Falke, who will take us for a journey to the end of space and time, describing the first image of a black hole, after about 100 years since Albert Einstein predicted the existence of such extreme, long-unbelieved singularities in our universe. The program will continue with two different themes that are central in the current scientific and social debate: artificial intelligence and energy transition, the latter including fusion energy and sustainability. Don't miss the opportunity to be inspired by world-renowned experts and join the global network dedicated to innovation and collaboration. Register now. Let's build a brighter future together.